mga boss, ngayon naman andito ako sa dining ng Gourmet Farms at kasama kong executive chef and sous chef nila na si Chef Iko and Chef Pando. Good morning!
Good morning, Carl.
So asa ang station ba tayo ngayon?
Yes, ito ang pinaka-highlight ng restaurant natin. No? This is called the Salad Bar. So actually, kami po ang nag-pioneer ng concept na from the farm to your plate. As you can see, naman kayo sa farm natin na napakaganda. Sariwa po lahat yan.
At ano-ano bang mga green leaves ang meron tayo?
We have also arugula, herbs, arugula, asitaba, assorted lettuce, romaine, green eyes, red sail, pinaghalo-halo na namin.
Before tayo mag-prepare ng salad, meron din kayong mga dressing na gawa din dito sa farm, right?
Din po sa atin yung dressings natin. No? But we also sell it sa supermarkets, groceries, and we also supply it to our clients in private hotels, airlines, and so on.
So what are the sauces po ba?
Okay, and the sauces we have Italian oil and vinegar sa mga nagda-diet, honey mustard, sweet and sour, oriental dressing, of course, Thousand Island. Ito yung namin pinakamabili. Garlic dressing, ino-recommend namin pang Caesar salad.
Chef Pando, ano po ba ang salad na gagawin niyo? First step.
First step, olive oil. Pwede na balsamic vinaigrette.
Okay, ano po ba ang ratio?
Gusto niyo talaga na maasim yung balsamic vinegar, so it's really up to you. So kung matabang naman siya ng onte, pwede ka naman mag-add-on eh. We put the hard vegetables. The reason for doing this is to make the vegetables absorb the dressing. Kasi pag hindi mo ginawa yan, hindi mo pinarest ng onte, tendency magiging sagi po ang salad natin.
Okay, so we have carrots and we have cucumber. Meron tayong singkamas, right? And we have green bell pepper. And ngayon naman, naghihiwa na si chef ng tomatoes. So anong tawag sa salad na ginagawa natin ngayon?
Ang namin dito is farmer salad po. Simple, no? And very rustic. Hindi siya yung parang prepared na salad na medyo fancy-fancy, kumbaga. Ito yung parang the classic way of doing it eh.
Ito yung house specialty nila na salad. But if you want to make your own salad, you can do it naman. Tapos i-prepare na lang ng mga chefs nila dito. Ayan na. Ito na ang aking farmer salad. Tapos na siya. Ready to eat.
When we're gonna garnish our salad, maglalagay po tayo ng fresh herbs na galing din sa farm to make our salad more interesting. So ito po, no? Pinitas lang po natin ito sa likuran. Fresh dill po to.
Okay, so after namin mag-pick ng ingredients for our salad, you weigh the salad.
Yes. Yeah, that's 65 pesos per 100 grams.
Kayo din ba yung gumagawa nitong lettuce chip?
Yes, actually we have a manufacturing area sa likuran po. Ginagawa po natin yan. And then we bake our upstairs sa country store.
Farmer salad, ang sarap.
Very refreshing and light.
True. Okay, after the salad bar, punta naman tayo sa antipasto. Antipasto bar. So ano-ano po ba ang meron dito?
We have also Waldorf salad, apple and marble potato with herbs, black olive with herbs. So usually macaroni, potato salad, artichoke, Russian, grilled zucchini, and feta cheese.
Chef, please invite our viewers.
Yes, please visit us here in Silang Cavite, Gourmet Farms, the dining room, or check out our website. It's www.gourmetfarms.com.ph.
O ayan mga boss, if you want to have brunch with your girls and you girls are on a diet, nako pumunta na kayo dito dahil you can mix your own salad at nako sobrang sarap at sobrang fresh talaga. Kaya naman ako magpapagawa na ako ng next batch of salad ko at ito po ulit si Carlo Paderna for One Life.